Now, before I go on, if you are interested in seeing the outcome of this in the next maybe 6 months or maybe 1 year or maybe 2 years, I urge you to subscribe to the channel. You don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share this video, and maybe leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know what you're thinking or what you think will happen. All right. Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for joining me in this video. So in this particular video, I just want to share with you what I'm doing with my M1 Finance account. So I opened an M1 Finance account, and my goal of that account is to invest at the price of a coffee. So I'm not a coffee drinker. I don't drink coffee, and to be honest, I don't even like it. I don't take it. But I know a lot of people love their coffee every morning and sometimes during the day, and some people even take it in the evening as well. And I know a lot of people that will take this from Monday to Friday and even on the weekends when they are even just chilling at home. But is it possible to invest at the price of a coffee? Now remember, if you're familiar with some of these gurus, they always say that buying coffee is a waste. Is it truly a waste? Probably not. It depends on the value you get from it, right? But I'm not really here to to share with you if it's a waste or not. But what I'm here to let you see is that is it possible to invest money at the price of a coffee and over time see what it could turn to? And that's what I'm doing. So with that experiment, I looked around, I checked Robinhood, I checked Stash, I checked M1 Finance, I checked all these other brokerage firms like Vanguard and the rest. And at the end of the day, it came down to M1 Finance for this experiment, which I'm going to call an experiment. The reason why I ended up with M1 Finance is that they let you invest in fractional shares. So what is a fractional share? What does that mean? Well, that means that let's say you want to buy an Apple stock, all right, and an Apple stock goes for I think about $260 now per share. If you are going to invest using Robinhood, or if you're going to invest using Vanguard and the rest, you will be required to put down at least $260 to buy one share. But with M1 Finance, it's very nice to know that you can actually just buy a fraction of a share. If you want to buy 0.5 of that share, that means have half of that amount to buy the share. Like let's say a share sells for $100, you can buy 0.5 of it, which would be $50 of that share, and you will have some portion of the share, which is very nice to know, because that way you don't always have to save up $260 or $100 or whatever amount the share is before you can own a piece of that company. Now with M1 Finance, it's very easy to open. Obviously, if you go to the website, you can do that online, you can do it over your phone. But the good thing is they have the app on iPhone, on iPads, and I believe on Android as well. But with that app, all right, you can just set up automatic deposits. And once you set up your profile, the profile lets you choose different funds you want to invest in. If you want to invest in funds or if you want to invest in stocks itself, you can then set a percentage of that amount that you deposit into your account. And that percentage will then be invested in all these funds that you've selected into your profile. So with my M1 Finance goal, or with this plan of investing at the price of a coffee, so what am I doing? So since an average price of a coffee, obviously, it depends on where you go. If you go to Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts or these other different stores, I came up with a number of about $5, all right, at the price of a coffee. So if I invest, say, $5 every day, assuming I work 4 days a week, that's $20. So my plan is I invest $20 every week automatically without even touching it. I just invest it and I'll see what happens. I started this in January. Now, just to let you know, if you open your M1 Finance account, you will need to deposit at least $100 first, and then you can make a minimum deposit of $10, transfer to that account, a minimum of $10, which is not bad. That means you can do $10 every 2 days if you're trying to do the same thing I'm doing, or you could do $10 a week, or you could do $10 every month, depending on what you want to do. But the point is, you have that flexibility, all right? So I do $20 every week, and I've been doing this since January. So right now, about $300 in the account. But as you can see, I'm down about $40, close to that, because of the fact that the stock market has been down lately. And I'm not really, pissed. Obviously, if I bought my coffee, I would have drank my coffee and probably pissed it up somewhere, But in this case, I still have some money and I'm only just on the negative side, which I'm hoping it's going to turn positive. Now, before I go on, if you are interested in seeing the outcome of this in the next maybe 6 months or maybe 1 year or maybe 2 years, I urge you to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share this video, and maybe leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know what you're thinking or what you think will happen, all right? Hopefully this coronavirus goes away, because I believe this is the big hindrance in our way right now when it comes to investing. And I don't think it's gonna last for too long. I hope it's gonna go away soon. But like I said, if you're interested in just seeing what's gonna happen in the next 6 months, consider subscribing so that you don't miss when I give an update to this video, because I'm gonna update this video in the next, say, 6 months from now. So but right now, like I said, I'm down $40 and I'm hoping that it's gonna come back, but I'm gonna keep doing that automatic investing into that account and we'll see what happens. But the point is, remember, the title of the video is, can you invest, at the price of a coffee? Well, that's exactly what I'm doing now. Unfortunately, right now it's not the best time because of the environment we're in when it comes to investing, but I'm actually buying these shares at a cheaper price. So I'm really happy about that, because that's the way I look at it. Right now it's at a discount, so I'll keep buying at the price of a coffee, pretty much, all right? So if you are interested in seeing the outcome of this video, consider leaving your comments, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace. Hey guys, so I just forgot to mention something, all right? If you're thinking of opening your M1 Finance account, mind you, this video is not sponsored in any way, but it's just a good habit that I've used and I like it. And I've not had any regrets so far, and I think you will like it too. So if you're thinking of opening an investment account, a Roth IRA, a retirement account, just an individual brokerage account, anything, all right, in terms of investing, M1 Finance has options for you. So if you are thinking of opening an account with M1 Finance, you can use the link below in this video, and that link will basically, if you use it, you will get $10 into your account as well. Mind you, I will also get $10, but it comes at no expense for you at all. So just remember, you get $10, I get $10, and as you can see on the screen as well, it's written on there. So I'm just sharing this with you because you earn something, I'll earn something, and we're happy. It's a fair game. Again, thanks for watching this video. If you're thinking of joining my channel, please subscribe, hit a thumbs up for this video, and leave your comment in the comment section below. I do thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.